Hello. So it's Wednesday, November 23rd. Just showing you a little picture of the mountains with the sun over it. It's hazy, or not hazy, but cloudy on our side, but beautiful. Chief Mountain. So today we're just coming back. We're going to brace this because we got some strong wind warnings for Friday. So we thought maybe we're going to do some extra bracing here. So we're going to start on that. And yes, it's me and Paul. We're doing it with a little help from the LDS Church, who are fantastic people. Very, very kind people. Okay, so it's been like 20 minutes, less than a half an hour. That's out the two bedroom windows. And then we did all this. 20 minutes. Just to brace it a little bit more. So when that wind comes on Friday, we should be a little bit better. Oh, and what I also forgot to say was when we showed up yesterday, I forgot to bring my phone. The plumbers were here. And they were doing the final roughings before we can do the pad. So, yeah, we won't do this pad. Well, we don't have a roof. And yes, it did snow in here last night. Not much, like an inch or two. And this out the kitchen windows, but we got that panel truck there blocking what would be the awesome view from when I'm doing dishes and cooking. But anyway, yeah, you can't see it goes all the way. Like, how awesome is that? And then the bathroom window, big bathroom window, and then laundry room window, big screen door. There, oopsie. Anyway, that's all we're doing for today till we get these trusses. Like I said, we braced, and yep, and from the outside. Windows, lots of windows. And the other 600 square feet is going on this end, and way back over, kind of about 200 feet back, will be my cherry plum orchard. And if anybody knows how to get those cherry plums from Zager in California up here in Alberta, that would be great. I don't know. I think it's patented, so it would be hard to get them, but I'm going to do my best to find something close. Oh, the berries. The chicken coop will be behind the house, so it gets protected. The vegetable garden. And the fire pit's over on this side from the circular driveway, which is not there yet. And wildflowers, lots of poppies. So over the next couple of years, we'll see how that works out. And yeah, Chief Mountain, how awesome. And the little town of Carson is just below that mountain. Just beautiful. Okay, see you for now.